How to fix Roblox Account Manager failed to launch Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you get the notification that Roblox Account Manager has failed to launch the Roblox, there is the quick and easy way to resolve it. So basically what you need to do is you can launch your phone settings. Within your phone settings, you can scroll down and check out the apps option. From here, head over and click on all apps. Now in the all apps, you can head over and search for Roblox and tap on it. From here, you will see this open button right here. You can click on it. This is equivalent to start as administrator, the feature that you have in your PC. Now before you click on the open button, make sure the bug or the glitch issue is resolved. For that, you can check out storage and cache and tap on the clear cache button. From here, tap on the open button. By clicking on it, the Roblox will launch in your device or in your PC as well. However, if the issue still persists, you need to check out your App Store or Play Store for an update, or the last resort is to uninstall it and reinstall it later. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.